Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Notcoin. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Notcoin is a community-driven cryptocurrency and ecosystem that began a viral tap to earn game on Telegram, designed to onboard millions into Web3 through simplicity and fun. Originated as a viral game, it started as a simple clicker game on Telegram, onboarding over 35 million players into crypto with no prior wallet or blockchain knowledge required. Community owned and fair launch. An exceptional 96% of Node token supply was distributed directly to the community, with over $220 million worth of tokens rewarded to early players. Built on the open network Tone, it leverages the Tone blockchains for fast, low-cost transactions and deep integration with Telegram massive user base. Notecoin project institution rating is 4.3. Notecoin total supply is 402.45 billion and circulating supply is around 99.42 billion. Node token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.